Dietetics and Nutrition is actually very diverse. We are trained both in the community as well as hospitals as well as food service, but basically it is to provide tips on being a healthy individual.
With all the healthcare issues that are happening in the world, we do have 3 separate areas that we cover in our program, which is the clinical area, people in the hospital, the community area, which would be the obesity and the smoking cessation part of it, and we also have food service. But as a registered dietitian, you are able to consult with any person across the board for one-on-one nutrition counseling.
It's so important to make a change in people's lives because there's so many health behaviors that can be really prevented if we're able to teach people how to eat healthy. So things like obesity, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, all of them have a nutrition component to them that we can help to kind of reduce the prevalence of those disorders and diseases.
I think that dietetics and nutrition is changing the world and the community as a whole because we're now starting to understand and realize that diet can have such a positive implication on our lives. So I personally wanted to get in and learn what I can do to not only help make sure that I have a healthier future, but those around me have a healthier future.
This entire profession is working toward helping people help their own lives and their families. So if I'm able to teach one person some aspect of nutrition, they're going to affect at least their family, if not their extended family and friends beyond that.
Becoming a dietitian and doing nutrition research is really at the heart of public health. You can get a degree in nutrition and you can do so many things with it. You can do something really specific like HIV research. You can do interventions, behavioral interventions. You can work clinically. You can work in a hospital. You can work in so many different settings. You can be an entrepreneur in the field. And this is what we learn in the program. We learn that we have all of these options.
FIU dietetic and nutrition students create change every day in the lives of others. They do it while they're students here through their volunteer work and their community engagement experiences. They do it as future professionals in any kind of career that they go into. They're going to create change as part of what it is to be a dietitian.